It's a nice day out in Washington State. This is my backyard. I've had for 25, 27 years, my first house I ever bought. I have a really nice little tiny backyard. Nice part about it is I don't have any neighbors that are like that house way over there that are right next door with all kinds of windows that look into my backyard. That just pisses me off. These people that buy houses that are right next to each other, they're just stupid, because you can't put in a bigger backyard or anything like that. I just got my sprinkler systems running, and every year it's a nightmare because I'm afraid that all of my jury-rigged, half-assed Mickey Mouse deals won't work. I've got blueberries here and here. Bunch of flowers that shouldn't be there. This is my baby right here. This thing is a black raspberry, which they grow really good here if you can get them to grow. I just love those. Or blackberry. That's a raspberry. I don't like that. Anyway, back to the deal. I brought the parts out. Now I know some of these videos may be a little bit boring, but in 5 or 6 years you can come back and look at them and say, oh, that's how he did those. So you can make a beautiful engine like I have over here undercover. You can see the pipe right there. Or you need to do the whole package. Now here I've gone over to my other shop and I found that this truck bed rubber, I think it's going to work okay. I want to show you the difference. I did not prep this floorboard right here before I put some spray on it, because I wanted to see how it was going to look. So let me put it up here and we can kind of take a look at it. I don't know if you can tell the difference. What I've done is on this side right here all the way up to here, it's all been left the way it was. On this other side right here, if I can get in the light, I've sprayed this edge right here with this truck bed stuff, and I've gone all the way up to this edge right here. I want to see what it would do. Now I'm going to sand this back down in order to get a really good adhesion and take off these little scuff marks and things like that. But if you do this once a year for your bike, it makes your panels look brand new even though they're really old. And if you can't afford new panels. So what I'm going to do is sand down my cargo cover. I got this racing use only cool looking deal from China. Took me 2 months to get the damn thing, but it's really cool looking on the bike. People come up and go, wow, what is that to? Oh, well, that's to the nitromethane, the dual muffler bearing wiper, chromium bearing reducers, the gyroscope. This, of course, is not the kill switch. This is the nitrous injector right here. Here's the engine start for the air-powered 75-pound air starter, which I need for such a big motor. You know, and the bullshit gets deeper and deeper and deeper. I actually need wings to say above some of my bullshit. But if you make it sound plausible, people go, oh, wow, he's from America. It must be real. And I just laugh and laugh and laugh. So this was another experiment of mine. I bought this checkered flag stuff from a go-kart place. They put these on the bottom runners of the go-karts. What I'm going to do is take some 3M super glue and take these off, and I may repaint these, I may not, because they're brand new. I looked everywhere for these side skirts at $75 a piece, and then finally I bought a new pair, and that's fine. And then I needed 2 new clamshell back body pieces, and their numbers are very close to these. So I signed up for 2 body pieces, and they sent me 2 more of these, so I have 2 more new ones. Don't ask me, I'm not getting rid of them at all. But this is an old battery cover from a completely different bike, and I'm going to paint it with the bumper black. These are the front shock covers, and you can see the original look before the bumper black, and then I'll spray the truck bed coating over it. So far I like the truck bed coating. We'll see how well it works on my feet. For instance, it's like this. I'm a painter, okay? Paint is made for walls, ceilings, everything except your floors. They make a floor paint. It's so that when you walk on it, like this, here, it doesn't come off. So I'm hoping that this truck bed stuff, and I'm going to shake it up some more, black textured finish, I'm hoping it works okay. And I'll put this on all of my black pieces. And once I get that done, then I'll get the body in shape, and then I'll put the engine in. And then all of it will be done. All of it will look brand new. It'll look beautiful for being that old. And someone will come up to me and goes, man, that's a nice bike. You know, what year is it? 2017, 2018? I said, no, it's 1993. They can't believe it. And that's the ultimate compliment. So this afternoon I'm gonna take some wet sandpaper. Probably I'll take 600 or 800 grit. If you go too on the grit, if you go too much, it will leave sanding marks. You don't want to do that. Well, you want to rough up the surface so that the rubberized paint or whatever you put on it will stick, but not enough to where it looks like shit. All right, we continue.